What's up, programmers? This is Yatin Kode from Made in Android. Today, in this tutorial, we will learn about making a star rating. So let's see the demo of a star rating. See, if you click on your stars, you will get the appropriate number in a toast. So let's start. Click on File, New, Android application project. Give a suitable name to your application. Let be rating demo. Give a name to your package. Click on next. Check that these three things are marked. Click on next. Choose your icon. I will use the default icon. Click on next. Check that it's a blank activity. Click on next. Give a suitable name to your activity or let it be the same. Then click on finish. Since I have already created a project, I will just close this dialog. This will be the structure of your application. So first we will make on the layout. Click on resources, layout, then activity main.xml. That's the thing opened here. So how did I get these stars and this button? Just click on the form widgets and just pull below. You will see a star. Just drag it onto the window. Then if you need, you can use a button for the command. It's optional, by the way. Check out the code. Click on activity main.xml. You will see a rating bar and a button in a linear layout. Check out the width and height. It's wrap content. Means it wraps the layout of the stars. And check out that the num stars are 5. It means that you must get 5 stars in the window. Just like this. And just check the height, width and name of the button. By the way, the most important thing here is the ID. You see the ID here. You can change it for your reference or let it be the same. And also check the ID for the button. I will use the default IDs. So that's done with the layout. Then we will just make out the source of the application, how it runs actually. See, you see the main activity.java file. Just double click on it and you will see a Java class will be opened here. Currently you will see just these three things: the imports, the package, the class, and inside the class you will see the onCreate method. It's created on default, and so when you start the application, the onCreate method is called directly. Set content view, you will see activity main.xml. It's from the layout we had designed. These things won't be there by default. So let's start. We will make a variable of type rating bar, which is previously present in Android libraries, and a type button btn. Then we will initialize them. We will assign them a ID using the same ID name from the activity main.xml. It's the same here. and the same we have to do with the button. The next thing we will do that we will call the method set on rating bar change listener. What this thing will do is, when there is a change in the user movements, means user gives the input, it will act according to the inputs. So by default it has overridden the method on rating change rating bar. This is the rating bar which we have just created. The float rating is the float value, it's the number, means if we choose 3 stars we will get 3, if we choose 3.5 stars we will get 3.5 as the float. It's stored in the float rating. And then the boolean from user. What boolean from user means, like, people get confused with this variable. It's used to just taking the inputs from the user, means if the user acts on the rating, the boolean value returned will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. By default it's 0. So inside this we will make a toast, get application context. This is just an object maker. This makes the object of type toast. Here, since toast is defined, it will make an object of type toast. It gets destroyed automatically after this method is executed. So you will see your selected ratings, string value of, it will convert the rating. You will get a float value out there, toast.length long. It will display a toast of larger time, length long, dot show out the toast. The same kind of things will be defined for the button. For button it's set on click listener. The same thing you do here is done on set on click listener. It gives a specific action to the button. So it overrides the on click method, and the same thing we will do here. You can just copy paste the line out here into the button method. So we are done up with the code. Let's run our project. Click on the green button. I have already opened the emulator since it takes long time. Check out the progress in the console. By default you will get 0 stars. Since I had previously chosen the 4 stars, I have just got it. Click on any number of stars. Yup, 5 stars. Or click on the button. You will get the same thing. So that's done with this application. Please like, share and subscribe our video. This type of code you will see in our website. The whole source code will be present. Just go on this link, www.madeandroid.net, 2015 03 star rating in Android, 23 blah blah blah, to get a complete stepwise explanation along with the code. You can also watch the video from here and download the source code from GitHub. Be sure you like on our Facebook page. www.facebook.com made in Android. So stay tuned with Made in Android.